Hello, welcome back to Peter's Gears. Part 2 of the Mazda cam belt. Give this a go, see where we get to. I might actually get some help today because you need to be an octopus to hold it all on, run out of zip ties. So we'll see how we get on. First job, radiator, wash it out. Radiator bucket, radiator. Front of car, pipe. Ooh, nice. Correlate water is wind it back, give it a shake, stick that. Oh. Just don't go way up. Right, yeah, that's convenient. Idea here is just to the idea here is just to get all this gunk out of the radiator. Just give it a good rinse through. Should really do this with the engine as well. Might do that. Is that going to come out of there at all? Yes. Obviously don't do it down a drain, collect it in a bucket and then dispose of your coolant in a nice, safe, responsible manner at your local council recycling centre. Never had any overheating issues, but it's worth doing, isn't it, while it's off. Oh, there's some coolant actually. Oh, still quite a lot in there, you see that? There's your rubble washer. Come on, hey. Ooh. Oh, a bit on the floor. Right, what's on that off? Flip that round again. Lovely. One radiator flushed, I reckon. Should look good. Ooh, brand new. Stick that to one side. Get rid of the bucket. line up with here and there, and then down there, that has to line up with there.
That does.
I think that does. Does that? They're both as even as each other, aren't they?
I don't see how moving one of them would get them in more in line.
No.
That one definitely is.
Yeah. What should we try now? Should we put it back together something like, so that, let's see if it runs, starts, all that?
Could get down with it, yeah. That's good thinking.
Well, it's got oil in it, doesn't need coolant. Just needs the inlet putting back on, and the rocker cover just chucking on to see if it works.
We call that running? We call that running?
Yes. Well, it's got no battery or alternator.
Right, yeah, so it's trying to die.
Yes, well, it's because every time the jump starter
kicks in.
rebooted, it would die. Yeah. Right. Can you see me? Okay. So, cam belt's on, all done. Engine runs fantastic. We'll put all this back together. And if you want to see any more videos of doing the cam cover, we're gonna clean it and paint it with crackle red paint so it looks fancy. Stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and Sure. Bye.